In this video, we're going to show you how to download and install Opera GX on your PC. Alright, so we are now in Google Chrome and we're in Google, so all you need to do is search for Opera GX. And it's going to be the first option, the first result. So just click on this, right? And as you can see here, the browser for gamers, get an unparalleled gaming and browsing experience on mobile and desktop. So you just click on download Opera GX, and here that, as you can see, it's already downloaded. And get ready to play. Complete the download run, the installer, import settings and bookmarks, and let's go here. Just click on this. Wait for it. Okay, accept and install, and provide better. Yeah, sure, accept, and it is now installing and downloading for our computer. So let's just wait for it to, it's gonna be pretty fast. As you can see here, it's already done. Would you like Opera GX browser to your taskbar? No. And as you can see here, we have already launched Opera GX. And as you can see here, different tabs. So you have Twitch, Discord, YouTube, games, booking, eBay, and Amazon, Shopee. So like, there's a lot of stuff here. But as you can see here, this is your tab first. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.